Hey there, I'm Eric Tennant, and a company reached out to me to review this Tubeless bike tire repair kit. This is an all-in-one repair kit. So let's see, on this side we should have, so this is the side that you put the little bacon pieces on, and inside there we got some bacon. So let me try fishing them out here real quick. And the tool works good for fishing those out. So it looks like you get on that side 5 of the bacons, and then on the other side, this is a tool for working the hole out. Pretty much you stick it in. Once you get the foreign object out, you stick it in there and you work out the hole real good, getting it big enough for the bacon to go in. And on the other side, there's also 5 bacon in that. So you get 10 bacons. So what you do after you work that hole out and you get it big enough for the bacon is you take one off the plastic there. You just go ahead and weave it in like that. And then you stick it into your tire. And when you pull it back out, the bacon strip would be left in. Unfortunately, right now, why I'm showing you guys this like this without actually doing it is, well, I don't have a hole in my tire and it's actually a tube in there at the moment. I didn't have time to swap it out. But I do run tubeless quite a bit, and I do love to have plugs on hand, and this seems to be a perfectly adequate little tool here. Yeah, I'll definitely put this in my gear kit when I'm running tubeless. It's nice to be able to have many repair options. So yeah, this would basically get you back up and going again. Tubeless is king for sure. And it's also nice, you can have one preloaded so you don't have to fiddle around weaving it through. You can just put one in there, leave it on there for when you need it. And well, it's a little bit of a time saver. Have a great day.